Geometry, Topic 3, Lesson 2, we're going to be talking about translations. If you want to do the Explore and Reason, it's going to be optional this time. If you want to skip it, that's fine too. We're going to go ahead and start with the concept of translations. A translation is a transformation in a plane that maps all points of a pre-image the same distance in the same direction. So this is kind of like a slide, just sliding the shape from one place to another. The notation for this is going to be with a capital T, and then we will give values of x and y that tell us how far we're moving. So the translation of x and y for the triangle ABC equals triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So basically our original image, our pre-image, was the black shape, and the image, which is the new shape, is the orange one. And all they did was slide that. And in this particular case, they went over 1, 2, 3, 4 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would actually replace those x and y values with left 4 and down 6. So we plug that in. So that's how the notation for that will work. So we're going to look at example 1. The graph of the translation 7, -4 of triangle EFG, creating triangle E prime, F prime, G prime. So this means that we're going to go, we have that 7, -4. So this is positive, so we will go right 7, and this is negative, so we will go down 4. So the first one tells us left or right, and the second one tells us up or down. So starting at F, I'm going to move it right 7 and down 4. And that's where my new F prime will be. E is going to move right 7 and down 4. And that's where E prime is. G will move right 7 and down 4. And our new shape, our new location for the shape, is right here. Go ahead, pause the video, do the try it, and come back to check your answers when you're done. For the try it, use the triangle that was in the example 1. Those points are given here, -5, 4, -1, 5, and -2, 1. So draw that shape first before you do the translations for parts A and B. Hopefully this was fairly easy for you. This one we were moving right 6 and down down 7 because of the -7. So that gave us the red shape there. And then on this one we went right 11 and up 2, and that's the green shape. That's where you should have gotten those. So double check your answer. It actually asked also for the vertices of each one. So on this one, E prime would have been at 1, -3, F prime would have been at 5, negative 2, and G prime would be at 4, negative 8. On part B, E prime would have been at 6, 6. F prime would have been at 10, 7, and G prime would have been at 9, 1.